Electric valve remote monitoring offers a range of specific advantages. These advantages make it useful in industrial automation, building management, process control, and other fields are widely used. Here are some key advantages. Real-time monitoring and timely response. Remote monitoring system, capable of obtaining the working status of the electric valve in real time. Key parameters such as flow pressure enable managers to keep abreast of system status. In the event of a malfunction or abnormal situation, the system can immediately issue an alert, allowing managers to take prompt action, avoid potential safety hazards or production disruptions, improve operational efficiency. Through remote monitoring, managers can always access data from electric valves anywhere, optimize system operation. This helps reduce unnecessary energy consumption, increase equipment utilization. This results in lower costs and improved overall operational efficiency.